Hi, today in this video we need these things to make blending stump. Firstly, we take a paper and then measure 7 cm here, 7 cm. This 13 cm, we need to take 7 cm here, and this is now 13 cm. And it's time to cut this shape with scissor. Cut it carefully. This measurement is very important to make perfect blending stump. Now ruling with the help of scissor, this paper, we need to cut here this shape. It's important for folding paper. We fold paper very easily by cutting this shape. It's important to roll it very tightly. Take your time and roll it very carefully. You can see the tip. It's very fine. Now it's time to use tape. We take here paper tape. Stick it on our blending stump. You can see here it's perfect blending stump. Now it's time to cut extra part. Now it's very tight, strong, rigid. Now it's time to test this blending stump. You can see it's working very fine. It blends very easily. So you can make it at home without any money.